Yeah, ready. Alright guys, well, this is the first service at 600 miles on my 2025 S1K RR. So now the full power band is available to be used. Let's see how she sounds. So right there, it's at 14, which is better than the 8,000 I was revving at before. So let's hear it. Yeah, it sounds the same though, but the power should be way different.
Turn left on Northwest 77th Avenue, then turn right.
Oh, you know what? I want to get a picture right here. So on my way out right here, I'm going to take this, this spot right here.
Turn left on Northwest 77th Avenue.
Anyone behind me?
Then turn right on Northwest
Kill.
6th Street Extension.
No one's behind me, so let's get this picture, guys, and then we'll head out. Nice. Alright, so what we're gonna do is leave it in dynamic mode. I'm not gonna put it in rain again. And let's go for a quick ride. Let's see how it feels. Now that I can get over 8,000 RPM.
Turn right on Northwest 6th Street Extension.
Let's see what kind of beast the motorcycle is now. I gotta do an errand in the airport, but before I go to the airport, I'm gonna swing by, take 826 south, which is the highway, and try to open this guy up a little bit and see what it feels like. So yeah, stick along guys, it should be fun. Now that I got this monster in my hands, man, we gotta see what this new monster feels like, you know? Alright, let's hit it. See here, unfortunately, I mean the bike feels fine, but we haven't hit the power band yet, right? So let's hit it right here. That's a 6. That's an 8. Not bad. But now this bike will hit 180 miles an hour, so that's just absolutely crazy, you know? Oh, I wish I was in that strip right there. But I gotta find a place where we can actually like exploit this bike. Whatever, for now it feels fine. Feels good. But obviously I'm just way down in the RPM range, right? Let's get down to 3rd. Let's give that guy ahead of me some space. I'm gonna hold 3rd, and then I'm gonna try to gun it a little bit. No one's behind me, so I'm gonna slow down, get this guy some room. Ooh, I see an extra lane on my left right there, so I can switch to that lane. So yeah, let's go. Not the police officer, so I'm gonna get around that guy. saw the police, so I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, great power. Feels good. So because the police are around, I'm gonna go low, get out of here, and then kind of exit and get up out of here. Yeah, this thing's coming. Yeah, it's moving. Feels good. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it feels good. Ooh, 410. Yeah, it's nice. It feels amazing. Yeah, buddy. We're moving. Yeah, ready. Yeah. Yeah, the performance is definitely there. The performance is definitely there. You can feel it.
go.